Hi all! So today we're going to be introducing another text structure. Well, this week you've been learning several different text structures. That's just basically telling you how the text is set up, how the author's words help you understand or comprehend what you're reading. Well, you've learned about description, sequencing, cause and effects. And today you're going to be talking about comparison. So if you look at the chart right here on my screen, you're going to see the comparison. That's comparing and contrasting. You're probably like, I know what that is. And that's super. All that basically is discussing how things are similar, which are the same, or how they're different. So let's look at some keywords that will help us identify if the author is using comparing or contrasting. So the very first part we're going to talk about is the comparing, and that's just how people, how places, events, or things, how they are similar or how they're the same. Well, some of the clue words that will help you identify that are right here. Oh, and there's several that stick out to me. The words same, both, similar. Down below, we're going to be talking about contrasting, and that's just basically how the author is going to tell you about how people, places, events, or things are different. Some of the clue words down here, like the words although, differ, kind of sounds like difference, but, whereas, on the other hand. So let's look at the example below about honeybees. Well, the first sentence says, honeybees are similar to ants because they both live in colonies. Well, that first sentence tells me that the author is comparing the honeybee to the ant and telling me how they are the same because of the words similar and both mean same. Well, how does the author tell you that they're the same? Well, right here, they both live in colonies. Let's read the second sentence. The second sentence says, honeybees differ from ants because honeybees live in hives, whereas ants live in the ground. Well, in that sentence, the author is telling you how the honeybee and the ant are different. The word differ or whereas helps me, the reader, think, they must be talking about how they're different. Well, let's go back in the sentence and figure out how they are different. Oh, I know. The honeybee lives in hives and the ants live in the ground. Good luck today. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please reach out to your homeroom teacher.